Auto body marketing tip of the week: emergency info wallet cards. Create a wallet card that has everything your customer might need in case of an accident. So include phone numbers for your local police department, fire department, any towing companies you've partnered with, and of course put your own info on there as well, and include your emergency number if you have one. Anytime you complete a repair, leave 2 or 3 of these in your customer's vehicle. You want extra so that they can give one to a spouse or a friend, and then they're going to either put it in their glove compartment or console or maybe their wallet, but now they've got that important information anytime they need it. You can have a local printing company create these for you, or use an online service like VistaPrint. Print them as business card size, and you can do front and back both if you like, but it's just a nice way to add an extra touch. It's a subtle thing, but easy to do, inexpensive, and your customers will love it. That's it, short and sweet. Thanks. Hey, I'm Jason Ferguson, and I want to help you market your auto body or collision repair business. If you like what you see here, please subscribe and find out more about our digital marketing services at Conspicuous Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.